啱啱按完摩嚟到呢個飛機夜市啊，搭雙跳過到嚟，都擺晒啲攤喺度，同埋好多人食緊嘢。我啱啱見到咧對面啊，就有間869嘅飲酒嘅地方，但係好得意喎，對面有個中間有個台啊，喺度玩緊打緊摔角喎。呢度未見過喎，芭提雅，因為芭提雅多數係打泰拳啫嘛，佢係摔角喎，喺度摔角緊。而家過去望一望先。我而家嚟到門口啦，呢度就869嘅酒吧，有摔角表演嘅。我而家入去望一望先。我問咗佢嘅職員，佢話可以拍片。好似啱啱打完一場啊，打摔角嘅，唔係打拳。
We are just starting tonight here at Line 869 Pro Wrestling Live Show for free entrance. You just witnessed the first professional matchup of tonight. Stay tuned, keep filling up all those glasses. Enjoy Line 869 food, because we really have great deals for drinks and food. Only here at Line 869, everybody. In the meantime, our ring is open for open ring boxing match challenge for a free drink. And let me call into the ring tonight. Our challenger all the way from Canada. Let's bring him into this ring. Come on. Let's want you
我突然間啱啱入到嚟，但啱啱就話打完一場摔角啊！而家有個客人上去咧，就佢話有冇人挑戰佢。啱啱嗌咗2支起力啊！佢呢度嗌係大啤嚟嘅，139泰铢一支。啱啱又上台喎。
Here at Line 869.
唔知嚟緊係咪我打泰拳喎？之前係打摔角。
And now, ladies and gentlemen, introducing next.
哇！呢個好似打摔角2個我咁大呢個。個背脊幾雄偉，哇！跟住而家打拳咯喎。哇！而家開始打啦。
Have your camera ready, ladies and gentlemen. You don't want to miss any of the action tonight. Jack 3 is actually ahead of the stage, and that tank is partially down right now. Wow, in just one round, that's Jack 3 showing his full potential and strength tonight. Kicking back so hard. This is a live Muay Thai showdown tonight. Only here at Line 869, a non-stop pro wrestling live show for free entrance every single night. And now Batang there is ready to finish Jaffrey. This is just the first round tonight and it's getting really intense. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That ends up our first round.
第二場開始啦。
Second round is on now.
哇，肥嗰個都唔驚㗎，係咁俾佢打都冇問題啊！哇
Here we go. Chaturita is right to surrender right there. And Black Time hits our official. Is that an illegal there? Who is going to officiate our winner tonight? If he is down and dead, Black Time is viciously punching Jasmine right there. So hard. Is Chris going to surrender right now? Is he going to make it till to the third round tonight? Let's find out. Here we go. Black Time showing no mercy right there. His powerful punches really hit Jeffrey so badly tonight. And Jeffrey is about to surrender, ladies and gentlemen. He is about to surrender right there, and now he is fighting back so hard. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That ends up our second round tonight. This is a live Muay Thai showdown. Only here.
哇！正話肥仔俾人打到攣低咗，影唔到。
Once again, here is the winner. Put your hands together one more time for Jax Ray.
突然間有兩個女仔上台打，一個係俄羅斯，一個係泰國。應該打贏咗就免費飲酒啊！
We need one pair of pillows. Okay.
呢兩個係客人嚟嘅，俄羅斯係嗰個客人嚟，去幫佢戴個保護罩。但係泰國嗰個咧就唔知係咪客人啦，應該都係嘅，佢都係幫佢戴保護罩嘅。兩個客人開始打啦，有一個泰國嗰個咧就講明話唔戴個保護頭罩。
Here we go.
泰國嗰個咧好似好勁喎，俄羅斯嗰個咧就幫佢戴咗個保護頭罩。
Ladies and gentlemen, in 3, 2, and 1, let's ring the bell.
好，第一個開始。
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
哇！好狼死啊！泰國嗰個。
Thailand is really fighting real hard. I think she's
哇！
a
個頭罩
fighter.
都歪咗啦。
Let me check.
個頭罩嗰啲
All
鬆。
ready.
哦，應該嗰個係職員嚟，我覺得泰國嗰個。哇！俄羅斯嗰個俾人打到披頭散髮。
This is just the first round open ring boxing match challenge. Here we go. Fight. Whoa, 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 she's really aiming face. Wow.
哇！好狼死啊！
Oh my goodness, this is getting hotter and crazier tonight. Oh my
唔夠
goodness.
打啦，唔夠打。
We have 10 more seconds to go. Let's fight. 10 more seconds. Okay,
俄羅斯嗰個真係嚇人。
10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7,
應該叫佢唔好咁狼死啊，所以
5,
都撳住。
4, 3, 2, and 1. Time is up. Time is up. Time is up. First round is finished. Wow, let's make them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. One.
而家啱啱第3場啊，兩個客人啊，
Canada
所以兩個都要戴
France
頭
tonight.
套，應該係戴頭套。
Have your camera ready, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, France really got the move. This is your chance to experience Paradise Sports Entertainment Pro Wrestling Open Ring Boxing Match Challenge Preparatory. Only here at Wahi 869. Paradise Sports Entertainment is open for students. If you are eyeing to become a pro wrestler, just drop us a message in our social media account, PSC_Thailand, on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,